This is Noonie. Hi Noonie. This is Noonie's refrigerator. Noonie's refrigerator has lots of fruit and vegetables in it. Can you help Noonie find an apple? Can you see the apple yet? Yes, here's the apple. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the carrot? Can you see the carrot yet? Yes, here's the carrot. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the pear? Can you see the pear yet? Yes, here's the pear. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the tomato? Can you see the tomato yet? Yes, here's the tomato. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the lemon? Can you see the lemon yet? Yes, here's the lemon. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the avocado? Can you see the avocado yet? Yes, here's the avocado. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the cherries? Can you see the cherries yet? Yes, here are the cherries. Were you able to find them? Can you help Noonie find the eggplant? Can you see the eggplant yet? Yes, here's the eggplant. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the orange? Can you see the orange yet? Yes, here's the orange. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the grapes? Can you see the grapes yet? Yes, here are the grapes. Were you able to find them? Can you help Noonie find the coconut? Can you see the coconut yet? Yes, here's the coconut. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the potatoes? Can you see the potatoes yet? Yes, here are the potatoes. Were you able to find them? Can you help Noonie find the peach? Can you see the peach yet? Yes, here's the peach. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the onion? Can you see the onion yet? Yes, here's the onion. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the cucumber? Can you see the cucumber yet? Yes, here's the cucumber. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the sweet corn? Can you see the sweet corn yet? Yes. Here's the sweet corn. Were you able to find it? Can you help Noonie find the pomegranate? Can you see the pomegranate yet? Yes. Here's the pomegranate. Were you able to find it? Now the only thing left in Noonie's fridge are the chili peppers. Thanks, Noonie. That was so much fun. Good job. It's time to say bye-bye.